Morning, I'm Steven Sprinkle. This is MorningBit. Let's get to it. Top 3 things I think are important today for Bitcoin. The first of which is the FBI may soon be releasing the Bitcoins that it seized during the investigation of Silk Road. Now, why this is really important is because it's worth about $30 million at the current price of Bitcoin. And if they do decide to finally release these Bitcoins, they'll probably release them in a similar fashion that they do with other assets that are seized during criminal investigations, meaning they'll auction off the Bitcoins. So potentially there's an opportunity for a discount rate on those Bitcoins. But again, you need to be a player who has enough funds to actually purchase those. And there are a number of players actually actively talking with the FBI about potentially purchasing these Bitcoins. I'll link to an article below discussing all of this. It's really interesting. Second thing I think is really important today for Bitcoin, and that is the UK may potentially soon reclassify Bitcoin as a private currency. Now, what this basically means is that if you acquire Bitcoin, it increases in value. When you decide to convert that back to, say, euro or the pound, it wouldn't be charged a capital gains. Now, this is huge. It's a huge competitive advantage over, say, the United States, where if you do see a significant gain, at least according to the tax authorities right now with the existing regulation around Bitcoin, though it's not really defined, you would potentially be charged a capital gains inside the US. If the UK took this tack, it would potentially be a significant competitive advantage for exchanges. Singapore and Germany have taken a similar tact where there wouldn't be a capital gains on it. A number of other countries have taken more onerous approaches that there are gains. So it's really interesting to see this playing out in the global economy and what the potential implications are if these major first world nations decide to take the tack that is not capital gains wouldn't be applied to it. So I'm really interested in this. I'll link to an article below. I encourage you to take a look at it. Third thing that I think is really important today for Bitcoin is a service called StuffCoins. And basically it's an early stage eBay alternative. And what they allow you to do is sell anything you want in a similar fashion to eBay and get digital currency back. So right now they offer Bitcoin or Dogecoin. So go check it out. It's a cool service, still pretty early, but if you add your stuff, it'll really help the ecosystem there. If you're a product or service, send me a logo, send me some information. I would love to talk about you. I hope everybody has a great day, had a great weekend. I apologize that I had a few days off last week from making videos. I have a project that I'm working on right now that's taking a substantial amount of time. So bear with me. When that goes live, I'll definitely talk about it. Hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.